Today we are going to Six Flags Magic Mountain. Yeah, please say yeah. We are here, Six Flags Magic Mountain. We are eating hamburger and French fries. My husband said he wants to try eat their hamburgers. Hopefully good. And he tries to go get his salad too. Because I cannot go right. I'm scared. It's a crazy roller coaster. And my husband hates right because the sick and it's so hot too. Where are we going now? Today we are going to Six Flags Magic Mountain. Yeah, please say yeah. And my sister who driving. My husband.
Does it get busy over there?
We are here, Six Flags Magic Mountain. Oh. It is a pretty long line. Let me see. Yeah.
Can I bring my parasol? Is this a live there?
Hey. Not polling.
Is this a live there?
Bro, Bengal is
We are here, Six Flags Magic Mountain, and then my family tried to get drink the place. But it's okay, you can carry that one, the cup and the water, the drink.
Oh, I put the ice in the drink.
Baby, go. Hi, baby. You asking daddy drinker.
Which one's mine?
You asking daddy. Where is Amaya? Ooh, look at. Ooh. Actually, churros. Actually, likes that one. Really? 네. Huh? Look at. Picture time.
I'm gonna jump in.
Picture time.
In the front, Ashley. Meow.
Look at my family. Ooh.
Hey, I'm gonna throw my phone at you.
Family, you need to.
Oh my god!
You need to fly. The man has a puppet. Woohoo. We are going here.
What stage is that? What stage is that? What was that?
We are eating hamburger and French fries. My husband said he wants to try eat their hamburgers. Hopefully good. And he tries to go get his salad too.
Saying it sucks because like I was supposed to upgrade it to the other one, which is like 50% off, and they changed the password.
There was no letters, so I'm using my husband's salad.
Cigarettes and vapes is not permitted inside the park.
4, right?
Your hands are dirty.
Yeah, we can ask him, Amay. Oh.
How'd you like Twisted Colossus?
Oh, you did already that one? How
Thumbs
one?
up emoji.
Thumbs up emoji.
It fell out. I was
Oh, I did it.
Guess what? Auntie Fadili was sick. Here she said.
I'm hungry.
careful to whatever they have.
Finally, she's hungry.
Is that my screen?
Let's go. Oh, oh.
Take your bag. Take your bag.
We going this way?
Well, a mix of both.
So we are going. Ne.
Not the lion. The lion? No, keep going. No.
I want to ride with you. I did. Sure. I should bring my phone and filming, but I don't know. They're gonna say something. That's why I didn't bring anything.
Aw. Batman?
They kids said they did already this one. How actually did this one? They did actually did this one.
Good.
Wow. Most time we're sitting, hang out, only kids ride. Because I cannot go ride. I'm scared. It's a crazy roller coaster. Where are we going now?
I.
Hi.
My favorite letter is I.
Hi.
I see you, Pig.
Ah.
You gonna ride Batman? No. You can. It's not that bad.
Nine.
Hi. Ooh, DC Universe. Oh, that's the bender? Wonder Woman. Did you go to Wonder Woman already?
Huh?
Wonder Woman.
Wonder Woman, no.
No, okay. She need to go Wonder Woman, Batman, everything. Baby, Batman. No picture? Oh, that's cool. I wanted this picture.
No.
Come here.
No.
Amaya, Joshua, Eden. Hurry up. Before people. I want to. Oh my God. Oh shit. Oh, you're gonna have fun. If mommy no sick, I want to go. Wow. So this is the entrance. Picture. You don't need the picture. Bye. High five. Bye. See you soon.
Stop waving.
This is so sexy. So how was your first experience with Batman? How was it?
Thumbs up emoji.
How much thumbs up emoji?
Thumbs up emoji.
You need to go on Wonder Woman?
Thumbs up. No.
Baby. So what they gonna riding now?
I need a pen.
I think maybe
Someone
you
give me
Ooh,
a pen.
harsh.
I need a pen.
I was joking.
What are you gonna ride? Wonder Woman?
the Riddler.
You know, I was watching the Wonder Woman. I said, oh no, I'm not gonna try because you're going high, shit, crazy. Ooh.
You think I could make a dragon?
Hey!
Connect the dots?
My husband make fun of my Ashley Temple.
Yeah, but look, I could connect the dots.
So you guys are done? You guys are done?
What are we
done?
going to?
Baby done? You done, baby? It's okay. They say going home. Dame more. It's okay? Oh, Valencia more. Ooh, long time. So you guys are done?
Thank you all for making me look good. Love that.
Wait, let
Famous.
Okay, go. Go.
play Block Tales, guys. Peek.
E. Everybody done.
I might call with my
They
friend
say they
later.
done right. They want to go home. Go home.
Wow.
Wow.
What do you want to ride in Disney? Anything? Like the small stuff?
Small stuff I want to. If you're not scary.
Like Small World?
That's too boring.
Oh, that's scary.
Even scary.
It's like Splash Mountain.
Haunted Mansion is already closed.
So funny.
You mean already? They're already refurbishing it for Halloween? Already?
So we're just gonna hang out in the lounge?
Most likely.
Get free soda, air conditioning, snacks,
Where?
coffee.
Yep.
Where?
At,
My lounge.
At her DVC lounge, her Disney Vacation Club lounge at
sure.
Disneyland. Since she's a member.
So you mean we are going to the hotel?
No, it's for free. It's on
Disneyland.
Disneyland property.
What the heck? Really?
Timeshare owners.
Ooh,
So you get free sodas,
Yep.
you get free coffee,
nice.
snacks, really nice toilet.
Really? We don't have to pay?
No, so I pay for the timeshare.
Nice.
Air conditioning and
I want to
sofa.
So everybody, did you have fun? Yeah. Not you. He said tired that he wants to go home. Bye bye Six Flags. Bye bye. Ooh. So you did that one too, baby? No. What do you mean? Where are we going? Huh?
You want funnel cake?
A funnel cake.
No, the exit's this way.
Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, not that way? Oh, it is this way.
You want funnel cake, Kuya?
Yeah.
Do they have a coffee?
Starbucks is that way.
No, we'll go to the mall get coffee.
Yeah.
You want funnel cake?
Yeah, it's up to you guys. I don't care.
Okay, go sit on the table. Let's get one funnel cake.
Where does it go, lady?
There's no seats in there? No, it's just a walk-in.
Oh.
Yeah, it'd be much easier with a knife.
The knife, child. Yes. You look at me.
Bro, stop pushing it.
I'll get a knife, honey. Thank you.
Say, bye bye, Six. Bye bye. Please. Six. Bye bye, Six Flags. Hurry. Hey. Bye bye. Bye. Say, bye bye, Six Flags.
Bye-bye, Six Flags.
Thank you. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Guys, isn't my background so beautiful?
No, ugly.
How dare you insult my beautiful builder man?
Whatever. Did you have
Who
fun?
else is obsessed with Roblox admins like me? Please, I can't be the only one.
You think so? You are the only one?
I love my Roblox admins.
Let's go.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe me.
Don't forget the thumbs up.